Good morning. Happy Friday, the 20th of November. I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the Aussie share market is on track for its fifth day of straight gains. The futures are indicating a lift of 0.4% this Friday, which will keep us on track to close higher for the third straight week. Overnight, US investors weighed up a fair bit of things. Firstly, news that US COVID-19 cases are continuing to escalate. They're up 26% from last week, while US stimulus could be around the corner. Finally, now it comes as members of the US Senate agreed to kick off negotiations for a fresh round of stimulus. But given it's still very much up in the air, traders continue to buy into stay-at-home stocks that are continuing to grow their earnings regardless of stimulus or not. That saw Google parent Alphabet up by 1%. Shopping website Etsy shares gained 6%, while Victoria's Secret parent L Brands, their shares rocketed up over 17% on reporting a turnaround profit. And potential COVID-19 vaccine developers also rose as well, with the likes of Moderna up 4.4%. As for how the broad US indices wrapped up, where they were all in the black or in the green, whatever you want to call it, the Nasdaq up the most, 0.9%, the broader S&P 500 up 0.4%, and the Dow Jones up ever so slightly, up 0.2%. Commodities finished mixed. The oil price pushed ahead by 0.2%. It's now at $41.89 US. The iron ore price lifted 0.5% and copper lifted by almost 1%, while gold continued its decline, losing 0.4% to $1,865 US, while the other safe haven, the US dollar, also saw some selling too. What's important to watch today? Well, results are out for Sydney Airport, which will be closely watched, as well as Orica. AGMs, there's plenty to sink your teeth into today, including Autosports, Accent, Centuria, Kogan, Lendlease, Platinum, and ResMed as well. And on an economic side of things, preliminary retail sales are out today, expected to show sales lifted by 0.3%. If the number is more than that, then you might expect consumer spending stocks to rally, like JB Hi-Fi, Harvey, Kogan, Breville, Lovisa, Kathmandu, for example, as well as Super Retail Group, just to name a few. But if the numbers are worse or weaker than expected, you could look for a buying opportunity if they're stocks that you wanted to buy. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, Life 360 was given a strong reiteration of a buy by Bell Potter with a $7.70 target. That implies 111% upside in a year. Now, importantly, Google is now collaborating with Life 360, which allows any Google assisted device like your smartphone, your speaker, your Google Watch, your car devices, etc., to tap into Life 360's technology. Now, what does this mean? Well, you'll be able to simply say, "Hey Google, where's my family?" and the device will link into Life 360 and respond with audio to say where your family are. So that's Life 360, a stock to watch. And secondly, Australian Agricultural Co. AAC was upgraded by Bell Potter, increasing its buy rating and target to $1.40. That implies about 20% upside in a year. Now, AAC reported stronger than expected earnings, which surprised many analysts, and its stock lifted 5.7% yesterday. What's key is its cash flow is rising and debt is reducing. And lastly, from a charting perspective, keep an eye on Redbubble, Quick Fee, and Shiro Holdings, all showing strong bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe, happy trading, and I'll see you for the weekly wrap.